Right, it's Richard from Sleephaven. Just got a quick upholstery cleaning tip for you. It's James Toons in here. He's doing a grey upholstered chair, and we've got some red spots on this chair here, and it's acrylic paint. So what we're going to do is try and lift them out. I'm going to use some ink sole here. And what I've done, I've applied it to the cotton bud. And then what we're going to do is just try and lift these stains out gradually and lift them out. Here you can see where I've done one previously, and that's where the ink has come off. So I've just done the same here. I'm going to put a bit more ink sole on this. A little bit like that, and then just going to go to the stain. And you can see, just start applying it to the stain. Yeah. And the thing is, by using the cotton bud, I'm just treating that little area. So if I just sprayed that, it will then go all over the fabric, and I want to avoid that. So I'm just doing this here, and apparently, speaking with the lady, with the customer, it's acrylic paint. So here you can see, I'm just breaking that stain down. Just going to keep working on it. Then a bit of tissue. You can see the stain coming up. Now it's going to take several treatments of just trying to lift this stain out. So I might have to repeat the process 3 or 4 times because the paint is whipped in to the fibres of the fabric. So what you need to do is just keep at it, be patient. There you go, and you can start to see that it's coming out gradually. And it's getting there. So what I'm going to do is flush that through and then repeat the process. And we're nearly there. Okay. Almost. Okay, so you can see we're almost there now, but what I've got to do, I've got to repeat that process a couple more times, and hopefully that stain will be significantly reduced, if not removed. So I hope that's a useful tip for you. So for any sort of spotting or anything like that, just get a cotton bud just to apply for those small little stains. If we can help with your spot and stain removal, just give us a call on 01327 342 594. Many thanks.